Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, tired, or overwhelmed before? The day even begins, you're not alone. Many of us carry yesterday's worries into today, and before we know it, our mornings feel like battles instead of blessings. What if I told you that there's a secret morning ritual practiced in Japan? One that has been quietly passed down for generations, bringing energy, clarity, and purpose into daily life. This is not about expensive routines, complicated schedules, or endless productivity hacks. It's about simple, mindful practices rooted in nature, gratitude, and presence that transform ordinary mornings into powerful new beginnings. Today, I invite you to explore these rituals with me. Let's open our hearts and learn how small shifts in the way we greet each morning can change the way we live, love, and grow. Every morning in Japan, many people believe the first breath you take after waking is sacred. It's not just air, it's life reminding you that you've been given another chance. Imagine opening your eyes at dawn when the world is still calm and filling your lungs with fresh morning air. That breath is a silent message. You are alive, and today is another opportunity to create meaning. Too often we rush into the day without noticing this miracle. But when you start your morning with awareness, you begin to feel the quiet strength of life flowing through you. In Japanese culture, this moment is seen as more than just routine. It's a practice of mindfulness. It teaches us to slow down and respect the gift of today. By pausing to notice your breath, your body, and your surroundings, you awaken not only your senses, but also your purpose. When you carry that awareness, your energy becomes intentional, your clarity sharpens, and your heart feels lighter. This simple ritual, though small, can transform the way you step into the world each morning. In Japan, water is not just for cleansing the body. It's a symbol of renewal. Each morning, people wash their faces and hands, not only to freshen up, but to wash away yesterday's fatigue, stress, and negativity. This act, known as massage, is rooted in Shinto traditions, where water is believed to purify both body and spirit. When you splash cool water on your face at dawn, you're not just waking up, you're inviting clarity, focus, and new energy into your life. Think about how often we carry yesterday's burdens into today. Regrets, mistakes, and worries cloud our minds, leaving little room for peace. But with the simple act of washing in the morning, you create a powerful reset. You tell yourself, yesterday is gone, and today I begin again. This ritual reminds us that no matter how heavy life feels, renewal is always possible. The water becomes a teacher, showing you that clarity doesn't come from having all the answers, but from letting go of what no longer serves you. In many parts of Japan, people practice Asa no Taiyo, or greeting the morning sun. Standing still, with eyes gently closed, they let the warmth of the rising sun touch their skin. This practice is deeply symbolic, welcoming light into the body as a source of hope and vitality. The sun reminds us that no matter how dark the night was, light always returns. For those seeking motivation, this ritual is a beautiful reminder that hardships are temporary, but renewal is constant. When you face the sun in the morning, you're not just greeting nature, you're choosing to embrace optimism. You align your energy with something bigger than yourself, something eternal. It's a moment of surrender and gratitude, acknowledging that today holds infinite possibilities. If you've been feeling lost or heavy, let the sunlight remind you that life is full of beginnings. Just like the rising sun, you too can rise each day stronger, brighter, and more determined than before. Across Japan, you'll often see people practicing Rajo Tisu, simple morning exercise routine broadcasted on radio and television. These gentle stretches and movements aren't about building muscle or burning calories, they're about awakening the body, improving circulation, and aligning the mind with the day ahead. This practice, often done in groups, creates a sense of connection and discipline. It's a reminder that movement is life, and to stagnate is to lose vitality. For us, incorporating even 5 minutes of mindful movement in the morning can change everything. Stretching your arms toward the sky, rolling your shoulders, or simply walking barefoot in your home can awaken energy that was sleeping. You start to feel your body not as a burden, but as a gift, a vessel of possibilities. Movement in the morning is not about perfection. It's about telling your body, I honor you, I'm ready. When your body feels alive, your mind naturally follows. bringing you clarity and strength to face the day. The Japanese tea ritual is one of the most profound symbols of mindfulness. In the quiet of the morning, preparing and drinking tea is not just about taste, it's about presence. The sound of water boiling, the fragrance of leaves, the warmth of the cup in your hands, each detail becomes a meditation. It's an invitation to slow down and savor life, one sip at a time. This ritual teaches us that clarity doesn't come from rushing, but from being fully present in the moment. In a world where mornings are often filled with chaos, emails, traffic, endless to-do lists, taking even 5 minutes to enjoy a simple cup of tea can change your entire mindset. It's a sacred pause, a reminder that peace is always within reach if we choose to notice it. The tea becomes more than a drink. It becomes a companion, guiding you into calmness and focus. When you begin your day grounded in presence, you step into the world with balance, grace, and renewed strength. One of the most powerful morning practices in Japan is simply saying, "Arigato," thank you. Gratitude is seen as the highest form of energy, a force that shifts the heart from emptiness to abundance. Each morning, people give thanks for the rising sun, for their families, for their health, and for the opportunity to live another day. Gratitude turns ordinary mornings into sacred beginnings, filling the heart with clarity and peace. Imagine starting your day not with worry or stress, but with thankfulness. Gratitude doesn't erase problems, but it changes how we carry them, gives us resilience, reminding us that even in difficulty, there is still something to be grateful for. As you close your morning ritual, whispering thanks for life itself, you prepare your mind for a day of purpose. Gratitude becomes the compass that guides your energy and your decisions, helping you face challenges with courage and grace. The Japanese morning ritual is not just about tradition, it's about remembering what matters. A breath of awareness, a splash of renewal, a greeting to the sun, gentle movement, a mindful cup. In gratitude in your heart, these are not just steps, they are invitations to live more fully. Imagine beginning each day this way. How much lighter would your heart feel? How much clearer would your mind be? You don't need to be in Japan to practice these rituals. Wherever you are, you can bring them into your mornings. Start with one, even the smallest step, and let it grow into a habit that nourishes your spirit. Life is too precious to rush through. So tomorrow when you wake, remember, you have been given another chance. Take a breath, give thanks, and step into the day with energy, clarity, and courage. Your new beginning starts now.